In this lesson, we're going to look more closely at SNS, or Simple Notification Service. SNS is used to send notices to internal assets from AWS. This can be from an application or individual user using the API, for example, or to an application or user. It's very useful for monitoring, alerts, and logging. To set up SNS, you first create a topic. Think of this like a mailbox or an email alias. Then you add subscribers. You can think of this like multiple recipients to that alias. This can be more than just email, but we'll talk about that in a bit. Subscribers have to confirm because this is an internal message. This is not meant for outbound users. Then you send messages into the topic. All confirmed subscribers will immediately get the message. SNS obviates the need to build custom messaging. The scale, high availability, and the redundancy are already baked into the service. It is push-based, meaning that all subscribers to a topic are sent a message immediately. They don't pull the topic looking for messages. There is, however, no verification that the subscriber got the message. It does have deep integration to other AWS services, such as autoscaling, EC2, S3, and CloudWatch. We'll talk about that in a second. It also has API and AWS console support, so you can programmatically create topics and unsubscribe or subscribe to lists. The subscriber types can be HTTP or HTTPS. This can be any HTTP or HTTPS endpoint, whether that's in AWS or outside of AWS. This can be used to programmatically consume notifications. You also have email and email JSON as end types. This can be good for humans or programmatic consumption. SMS is good for humans, especially those who want to receive alerts. And SQS is good for logging and good for programmatic consumption. All but SQS will incur additional costs. When subscribers first are added to a topic, they have to confirm their subscription. Over HTTPS, this is done by extracting the info from the request, creating, signing, and sending a response. Over email and SMS, this is done by responding to a verification message, often by clicking a link inside of an email. In SQS, you don't have to confirm, but you do have to add permissions, so SQS and SNS can talk to each other. SNS has deep service integration for autoscaling, where it can publish instance added and removed messages. For EC2, where, for example, you could launch into a role that allows an application to send SNS messages. In S3, you can use SNS messages when RRS objects get degraded. And inside of CloudWatch, you can send alert messages when servers or services are in trouble. SNS has many facets to its pricing. The first one is API requests. The free tier allows for the first 1 million requests per month to be free. That's a huge number, and it's doubtful that many customers will even get past that. After that, it's 50 cents per 1 million. It also depends on the notification volume, which depends on the subscriber type. SQS is free and all others come with cost. The rates are generally in the pennies per dollar per 100,000 messages range. You're also charged for data transfer. As with most services, data transfer in is free, and data transfer out for the first gigabyte month is free, and after that, it's about 12 cents per gigabyte month thereafter. In summary, SNS can be used to send internal messages from AWS assets. It's very useful for monitoring, alerts, and logging. After the confirmation, subscribers are pushed messages, and those subscribers can be one of 4 different types. SNS has deep integration with some of the AWS services.